Okay, this is to show you the plagiarism report. The first thing you're going to do is go to week 9 so we could get to the assignment to turn in part 2 of the essay. I'm going to click on new attempt because I've already turned in one other file. You can do this as many times as you want. It will not affect the plagiarism score unless you change things in your paper. So I upload the document here, submit the assignment. Now I'm going to go to grades. This is where you're going to view your plagiarism report. If you notice here, I have these little red tags. That means that a plagiarism report has been generated. Down here, where it's the essay part 2, it does not have that flag yet. It has the little time clock because it has not been generated yet. But before we do that, it does take a little bit for that to generate, so we'll let that take its time. I do want to show you this one that I turned in from a previous week. It was from somebody else, and so it is 92% plagiarized here. And if you click on this, it will show you all the ones. It means it's plagiarized from the exact same paper or the exact same source. So that is how you see a plagiarism score. We go back to the grades page and I'm going to refresh. Now, oh, it still shows that the score has not been generated yet. Okay, so the score has now been generated. You notice it is a yellow tag this time. So I'm going to click on that for my part 2 of my essay. And if you notice, there is a 27% match, and there are 3 sources that are matched here. So if I go outside of here, I see source 1, I click on this, and it tells me where it came from. So, and if you notice down here, you get out of here, notice down here it is not cited. I'm reading, this is what he gobbled first. No, there's nothing here to indicate where this information came from, so therefore it is plagiarized because it does not have an in-text citation. The next source is this number 3 here, and this is from Goodreads. So this is what he ate. He held up a book, and then I'm going to read to you to relax, blah, 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 all the way down. Did not cite the source again. There's no in-text citation. There's in the quote lead-in, there's nothing there to indicate an author, to give credit to the author. And then the last one here, this is from Papers Owl. It is a quote by Martin Luther King Jr. There is no credit given here on who gave the quote. So this is what the Turnitin.com citation generator, plagiarism generator looks like. And again, you want this less than 20%. This is 27%. That means I need to go in and make the adjustments. All it takes is just adding in the citations. When in doubt, cite in your paper, so that way you avoid plagiarism and academic dishonesty. So I hope this helped.